What if the greatest barrier to a longer, healthier life is your mindset? After 60 is your lifespan determined by genetics alone? Most people assume that their lifespan is set by their DNA. Recent research says that this is not the case. In fact, groundbreaking evidence reveals that up to 80% of your lifespan isn't determined by genetics at all, but the daily choices you make. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 powerful science-backed habits proven to extend life and keep you thriving. Habit number 10 may change how you think about your day-to-day life while growing older. Even in your 60s and 70s, adopting these 10 healthy habits will add years and vitality to your life. If only 25% of your lifespan is attributed to genetics, then this means that you can change your aging trajectory at any age. The secret to a longer, healthier life isn't complicated. It's in the choices you make every day, how you eat, move, connect, and recharge. So no, your DNA does not define your destiny. Your habits do. Stick with me. By the end, and you'll know 10 simple habits that will add years to your life. These are drawn from decades of research and the world's longest living communities. Let's start where every long life begins, your plate. Habit 1. Eat healthy by following Blue Zone diets like the world's longest living people. Forget extreme diets. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. Blue Zone eating habits are about sticking to a 95% plant-based diet, including vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Aim for hearty bean stews, fresh salads, whole grain breads, and vibrant fruits. Meat isn't forbidden, it's occasional, small, and not the centerpiece of your plate. Eat foods packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Add fiber that feeds your gut. This will boost your immunity and mood. Fuel your body wisely. Cut back on saturated fats, added sugars, and excess sodium, the very culprits that drive heart disease and obesity. Try for whole grain sourdough, beans, tomatoes, fennel, and omega-3 rich options like sheep's cheese. Want an easy start? Go meat-free on Mondays, let the produce aisle guide your meals, swap in whole grains, and snack smart with nuts and fruit. Habit 2. Move without thinking about it. The healthiest people don't count steps. They live lives that keep them moving. Walking, gardening, chores, constant, low-intensity activity. Short, intense bursts can't undo a day of sitting. Getting up from the floor dozens of times a day doubles as strength and balance training. Purposeful movement can be a workout. Take the stairs, park farther away, walk every hour, and try a standing desk. Stretch at least twice a day, dance more, walk in nature. Movement keeps your metabolism humming, circulation flowing, and makes you functional for life. Don't find exercise time, build an active life. Habit 3. Ditch the toxic trio: smoking, heavy drinking, and processed sugar. Every cigarette ages your skin and raises your risk for cancer, heart problems, and lung disease. If you drink alcohol, keep it modest. Drink only with meals. Binging is toxic. Heavy intake can harm your liver and brain. Too much alcohol will raise cancer risks and wreck sleeping habits. Sugar spikes insulin, fuels inflammation, and packs visceral fat. Be a label detective. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Swap sugary drinks for water, herbal tea, or black coffee. If you smoke, quit. If you drink, practice mindful moderation or abstain. Cutting these 3 can easily add years to your life. Removing unhealthy habits is generally a non-negotiable for living to 100. Habit 4. Sleep like it's medicine because sleep hygiene matters. Sleep clears brain waste, consolidates memory, and balances chemicals. While sleeping, your body repairs muscles, regulates hormones, and strengthens immunity. Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours every night. Remember that short naps can reduce stress and heart risk. Cutting corners on sleep spikes cortisol, fuels weight gain, clouds your judgment, and weakens your immunity. Prioritize sleep. Create a dark, cool, quiet room for recharging. Turn screens off an hour before bed. Habit 5. Watch your waistline, not just your weight. Belly fat secretes inflammation, drives insulin resistance, and heart disease. Poor sleep skews appetite hormones and triggers junk cravings. Eat plants and move naturally. A shrinking waist signals real long-term health gains. Habit 6. Manage stress daily. Everyday rituals downshift the nervous system. Chronic cortisol from stress can elevate blood pressure and weaken immunity. A calm mindset isn't a luxury, it's a survival tool. Habit 7. Build a community. Social connections rival diet and exercise. Friendship saves lives. Lifelong friends buffer stress and fuel healthy habits. Habit 8. Seek positive meaning in your life. Purpose and optimism rewire biology. A positive outlook is more than attitude. It strengthens your immunity, protects your heart, and helps you live longer. A sunny outlook builds resilience and reinforces every other habit. Nurture your circle. Find your purpose. Your soul and lifespan will feel it. Think young. Stay young. Habit 9. Never stop learning. Learning builds cognitive reserve, your brain's backup generator. Read, play, discuss, explore. Novelty and complexity keep you sharp. Habit 10. Protect your hearing. Hearing loss leads to isolation, drains cognitive resources, and speeds cognitive decline. Protect your ears, avoid prolonged loud noise, get regular checks. If needed, use hearing aids. Listening keeps minds and conversations alive. Connection protects the brain and extends life. Practice these 10 and you tilt the odds toward 100. Your lifespan isn't set in stone by DNA. It's written and defined by your daily choices. Which habit do you already practice, and which surprised you most? Tell me in the comments. Start with just one habit today. Want to know how to reverse aging without surgery? Watch the next video.